In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data from hardware crypto wallets with Koinly. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to get your transaction history into Koinly without fuss. Start by opening the Koinly app and heading to the dashboard. This is your home base in Koinly, and it's where you'll kick off any new connection. From here, click Wallets. The Wallets area is where Koinly stores every connection you create, whether it's an exchange, a software wallet, or in our case, a hardware wallet. Next, select Add Wallet or Exchange. This opens Koinly's connection catalog. To narrow things down, choose the Wallets category. You'll see a list of supported wallets. For this walkthrough, I'll pick Exodus as an example so you can see the flow, but the process is very similar for popular hardware wallets as well. The key idea is the same. You're connecting a wallet so Koinly can read your transactions and keep your tax records accurate. Now you'll choose how to bring data in. You can set up auto-sync or you can import from a file. If you pick Setup Auto-sync, Koinly will guide you to connect using read-only details, such as public addresses or extended public keys. This keeps your assets safe. Koinly never needs your private keys or recovery phrases. Auto-sync is great if you want ongoing updates without manual uploads. Just follow the on-screen prompts for the wallet you selected and let Koinly do the heavy lifting. If you prefer a one-time upload or you already have an export ready, choose Import from File. On the upload page, click Browse. Select the CSV or other supported file that contains your wallet's transaction history. Make sure it's the correct file for the specific chain or asset you're importing so Koinly can map everything cleanly. Once your file is selected, click Import. Koinly will process the data, which might take a moment if you have a lot of transactions. When it's complete, you'll see a confirmation that your import has finished successfully. To wrap up, click Back to Wallets. You'll return to the Wallets list where your newly connected or imported wallet now appears. From here, you can repeat the same flow for any additional wallets you use. Whether you went with AutoSync for ongoing updates or a file import for a quick upload, you've now brought your hardware wallet activity into Koinly in a secure, organized way.